Hello everyone, I'm about to teach y'all how to change your search engine on Firefox. You start by going to your search engine of choice. I'll pick yahoo.com. This is when you'll put in a random search. Fewer letters the better. I'll go with hope. Then you will take the URL that was generated from the search. You'll copy it. You'll notice that it says hope right here. That will come in handy later. Then we go to settings. This hamburger menu right here. Go to settings. Wait for it. I already have Mozila as my default search engine, but you can add more. Go here, add search engine. We'll type in Yahoo. Then we'll paste the full URL, making sure to remove hope and replace it with the recommended characters here. The %sign and S, and add. And that's about all there is to it. Just so we can test it out. This is my first time adding it. So we'll exit out of these two. We'll open a new search. Select from our drop downs. And there's Yahoo. Then we'll find another word, demon. And you'll see that it looks up demon. This has been my first video. Well, first real video. I'd like to thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like. And leave a comment.